space explorers! Welcome back to Discover with Momina. In our previous video, we explored Einstein's theory of relativity, time dilation, and the role of black holes in time travel. Now let's dive further into this fascinating topic and uncover new possibilities like wormholes, faster-than-light travel, and the exciting advancements in quantum physics. Time travel to the past. Can we change history? Traveling to the past is far more complex than moving forward in time. While Einstein's general theory of relativity suggests that space-time can be warped, traveling backward could create paradoxes. One possibility lies in wormholes, theoretical shortcuts in space and time. If wormholes exist, they might allow us to connect different points in time and space. However, traveling to the past could lead to the grandfather paradox, where altering the past changes the present. For now, time travel to the past remains a theoretical challenge. The role of gravity in time travel. How black holes bend time. Einstein's theory also highlights the role of gravity in bending space-time. Near massive objects like black holes, time flows more slowly due to gravitational time dilation. While this could theoretically enable time travel, the extreme gravity and radiation near black holes make it nearly impossible for humans to survive such a journey. Still, the concept inspires ongoing research. Is faster-than-light travel possible? Theoretical concepts explained. Breaking the light speed barrier seems impossible based on Einstein's theory. However, scientists are exploring ways to bypass this limitation through concepts like warp drives, which could bend space-time itself. Although still theoretical, these ideas offer hope for future breakthroughs in time travel. Exploring wormholes, the cosmic shortcuts for time travel. Wormholes are among the most intriguing possibilities for time travel. Imagine folding a piece of paper so 2 points connect. That's the idea behind a wormhole. These theoretical shortcuts could allow instant travel between distant points in space and time. However, the science behind wormholes is in its infancy, and we don't yet know if they exist or how to traverse them safely. The latest time travel discoveries, new theories unveiled. Recent discoveries in quantum physics hint at exciting possibilities. For example, researchers studying materials like glass have observed phenomena resembling time reversal. Quantum sensors, developed in 2024, use quantum entanglement to explore time and space in unprecedented ways. These breakthroughs suggest that time travel might be more achievable than we once thought. Exploring time with quantum sensors. The future of time travel. Quantum sensors represent a cutting-edge tool for studying time travel. By leveraging the strange properties of quantum physics, these sensors could unlock new insights into the mysteries of time. Though we're still in the early stages, this technology could revolutionize our understanding of time itself. The biggest mysteries in time travel, what we still don't know. Despite significant progress, many questions remain. Could time behave differently in other parts of the universe? What would happen if we changed the past? Could time travel lead to parallel universes? Scientists continue to explore these mysteries, and the answers could redefine our understanding of reality. Conclusion. Time travel is closer than we think. While we're not ready to hop in a time machine yet, advancements in quantum physics, black hole research, and cryo-sleep technology bring us closer to making time travel a reality. The dream of exploring time remains alive, and who knows, one day, it might come true. Share your thoughts on this exciting topic in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to join me, Momina, on more thrilling journeys through space, science, and the mysteries of the universe. See you next time, space explorers.